Hello to everyone. Join with me to study this topic in differential calculus, exponential function by differentiation. Students who took engineering, BS Physics, BS Chemistry, BS Education, major in Maths, and other courses, join with me to study this kind of problem in exponential function. So y is equals to e raised to the 2t plus e raised to the negative 2t over e raised to 2t minus e raised to negative 2t. Find dy dt. So take note, this is division. So meaning, I will use quotient rule. Okay? Quotient rule. So this will be dy over dt. Okay. So if quotient rule, I need to square the denominator. So e raised to the 2t power minus e raised to the negative 2t power raised to the second power. And then copy the denominator. So this will be circle brackets e to the 2t, then minus e to the negative 2t, then derivative of the numerator. So derivative of numerator is 2 e to the 2t, then plus derivative of negative 2t, this will be circle bracket negative 2, and then multiply by e to the negative 2t. Okay? And then this will be minus. Copy the numerator. So this will be circle brackets e raised to the 2t power plus e raised to the negative 2t power. Then differentiate the denominator. So differentiate the denominator. So this will be derivative of 2t, that will be 2. Then times e raised to the 2t power. Then minus derivative of negative 2t, that will be circle bracket negative 2 times e to the negative 2t. Okay? Then simplify. So this will be circle brackets e raised to the 2t minus e raised to the negative 2t. Then I will use circle brackets instead of square brackets. Circle brackets, this will be 2 times e to the 2t power. Then negative times positive, that will be negative. So this will be 2 e raised to the negative 2t power. And then this will be minus circle brackets e raised to the 2t power plus e raised to the negative 2t. Then I will use circle brackets instead of square brackets. So this will be 2 e raised to the positive 2t. Then negative, negative, that will be positive 2 e raised to the negative 2t power. Then this will be circle brackets e raised to the positive 2t minus e raised to the negative 2t squared. Okay? So next will be, I have to factor out the 2 and here also. So this will be 2 or I'll just write first. This will be circle brackets 2t minus e raised to the 2t power. Then I will use square brackets because I need to factor out 2. 2 will be outside. So this will be circle brackets e raised to the 2t positive, then minus e raised to the negative 2t. Okay? For the meantime, I will use square brackets. Later, I will change that one. I will remove the square brackets and I will place 2 will be the first before the circle brackets. Okay? So this will be minus circle brackets e raised to the 2t power plus e raised to the negative 2t power. Then I will factor out. So I will use square brackets. So this will be 2. Then this will be circle brackets e raised to the 2t plus e raised to the negative 2t. Then square brackets. So this will be circle brackets e raised to the 2t minus e raised to the negative 2t squared. Okay? As what I said, I will use another grouping, symbol of grouping. So it must be circle brackets. So, I will place this one 2, and then circle brackets e raised to the 2t, then minus e raised to the negative 2t, then I will use circle brackets. Okay? Circle brackets will be e. Actually, this 2 is in here. Okay? Then this will be e to the 2t, then minus e raised to the negative 2t. Then this will be minus. Take note, I will place this one first, so this will be 2. Then circle brackets, e raised to the 2t plus e raised to the negative 2t. Then I will remove the square brackets, and then this will be circle brackets, square brackets I mean. So this will be e to the 2t plus e raised to the negative 2t. And then this will be over circle brackets e raised to the 2t minus e raised to the negative 2t, then this will be squared. Okay? Okay, then I will multiply this one, multiply and then simplify. Allow me to erase this part. So, I will multiply e, this one. So, e to the 2t minus e raised to the negative 2t. Then multiplied by e raised to the 2t minus e raised to the negative 2t. This is multiplication. So, e to the 2t times e to the 2t, that will be e. Take note, if we multiply, we will add the exponent. So, this will be 2t plus 2t. 2t plus 2t equals positive 40. So, this is 40. Okay? Then, next is e to the 2t times e. So, take note, positive, negative, this will be negative. Okay? So, e, just like e to the 2t times e to the negative 2t. So, as what I said, take the base e and then add the exponent. So, this will be 2t minus 2t. So, meaning this will be e to the 0. Okay? So, meaning this will be e to the 0. Okay? Next will be this one. E to the negative, e to the 2t times e to the negative 2t. So, this will be, base is e, then add the exponent. So, this will be e to the 0. So, meaning, this will be e. Negative, right? Negative e to the 0. Then, negative, negative, that will be positive. E. Take note, negative, negative 2, negative 2, this will be negative 40. So, this is negative 40. Okay? So, this will be, bring down e to the positive 40. Then, minus. This is 1, 1. So, 1 plus 1, this will be 2. Because just like negative 1, negative 1. So, copy the common sign and then add the integers. So, this will be 2. So, I have now 2 e raised to the 0 power plus e raised to the negative 40. So, take note, e to the 0 is equals to 1. So, this will be e to the 40 minus 2 times 1 plus e to the negative 40. So, meaning this will be e to the 40 minus 2 plus e to the negative 40. Okay? So, I'll just write in here. So, this will be 2. Then, circle brackets. The product of this is e to the positive 40, then minus 2, then plus e to the negative 40. Okay? And then this one. Oh, wait. I have to, it's okay. So, negative 2, and then this will be 2, right? 2. Then, multiply this one. So, e to the 2t plus e to the negative 2t times e to the positive 2t plus e to the negative 2t. Okay? So, e to the e, this will be e to the 2t, that will be 4t. Because e to the 2t times e to the 2t, e, then 2t plus 2t equals e to the 4t. Okay? Next, this one, positive, right? This one, e to the 2t times positive e to the negative 2t. So, this will be negative e to the negative t plus t. So, this will be 0. So, this will be e raised to 0. Then, next will be e to the negative 2t times e. E to the negative 2t times e to the positive 2t. So, add the exponent. So, this will be negative 2t plus 2t. So, this will be e to the 0. Okay? So, this will be e to the 0. Then, this one, positive, positive, this will be positive. E, negative 2t times e to the negative 2t. So, copy the e, exponential, and then add the exponent. Negative 2t minus negative 2t. So, this will be e to the negative 4t. Okay? So, this will be e to the negative 4t. Okay, allow me to erase this one. So, bring down e to the 4t. 1, this will be 1. So, 1, 1, this will be plus 2. Then, e to the 0. Then, plus e negative 40. So, e to the 40 plus 2. Take note, e. Anything variable except 0, just like e to the x to the 0, that will be 1. So, e to the 0, that will be 1. Except 0. Okay? So, this will be 1. Then, plus e to the negative 40. So, this will be e 40 raised to 40 plus 2. Then, plus e to the negative 40. Okay? So, this is the product of this one. I mean this one. Okay? So, allow me to erase this one. So, I'll just plug in here. So, the product is e to the 40, then plus 2, then plus e to the negative 40. Okay? Then, this will be over e to the 2t minus e to the negative 2t squared. Okay? Then I will factor out 2 because there is 2. So this will be 2 square brackets. This will be circle brackets e to the 40. Then minus 2. Then plus e to the negative 40. Then, so this will be, I'll just use circle brackets first. And then this will be minus circle brackets e to the 40, then plus 2, then plus e to the negative 40, close bracket, and then this will be over circle brackets e to the 2t minus e to the negative 2t squared. Okay? So, combine this one, the 2 circle brackets. So, this will be 2 circle brackets. So, remove this one, square bracket. So, this will be e raised to the 40 minus 2 plus e raised to the negative 40. Then, minus e to the 40. Then, negative 2, right? Minus 2. Then, minus e to the negative 40. This will be close. And then this will be over circle brackets e raised to 2t minus e raised to the negative 2t squared. Okay? Okay, this will be square brackets e raised to the 2t minus e raised to the 2t squared. Okay, so this will be 2. Then circle brackets. e raised to the 40 power and minus e raised to the 40 power. This will be crossed out. What else? E raised to positive e raised to negative 40 minus e raised to the negative 40. This will be crossed out. So this will be negative 2, negative 2. This will be negative 4. Sorry. This will be negative 4. So I'll just write in the middle. This will be negative. This will be 2 times negative, 4. What should I write to? 4. Okay? Allow me to erase this one. And then, simplify. So this will be 8. How about the denominator? So, let us multiply this one. Because this is squared. So, e to the 2t. Then, minus e raised to the negative 2t times e raised to the 2t minus e raised to the negative 2t. This is multiplication. So, e raised to the 40 because you have to add the exponent. Then, this will be minus e 2t minus 2t, that will be 0. Then, negative. So, this will be minus e 2t, negative 2t plus 2t, that will be e to the 0. Then, negative, negative, that will be positive. Then, e raised to negative 2t, this will be negative 40. So, this is negative 40. Bring down e to the 40 minus, this is 1, 1, so this will be 2. E raised to 0, then plus e raised to the negative 40. So, take note, e to the 0 is equals to 1. So, this will be e to the 40 minus 2 times 1 plus e to the 40. So, this will be e to the 40 minus 2 plus e to the negative 40. Okay? So, meaning, my final answer will be dy over dt, dt is equal to, so I will plug in first this one. This is squared. So, this is the value. So, this will be e to the positive 40 minus 2. Then, plus e raised to the negative 40. Then, 2 times negative 4, that will be negative 8. Okay? This is now my final answer. That's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding to my discussion, you may write your comment or comments at the comment section. Then if you agree with me, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Maths TV. Thanks for watching.